money is $75 selling my coat. Yes. Let me share some ways I've made money in my sleep. It's no secret that living in New York City is expensive.
In this video, you'll learn ways that you can possibly make thousands of dollars a month using online sales, car sharing, and digital products.
But to make this more interesting, I've decided to challenge myself. If I can make $500 in passive income this week online, then I'll bring Louie out on a fabulous date night in New York City.
Ooh, that's exciting. Okay.
Yes, challenge accepted. Let's see how much money we can make online.
I wanted to do this challenge as a way to work smarter. Louie and I work really hard, and most of our work involves our fully focused attention. Now, I heard of people making money through passive income, and that means income that comes in without them having to do much work for it. And that sounded pretty good to me, so I wondered, could I do it too? Here are some of the ways that I tried to see if I could make money without working too hard.
One of the first possible ways that we can make money is through Getaround car sharing. Louie and I have a car in New York. I know this is a crazy idea, but we need it because of the baby. It's really hard to bring her places because there's not accessible subways. But the thing is, a lot of the time the car just sits there and it's just taking money out of our pockets. So how about we put that money back in our pockets and make that car make money for us. Right now, Getaround has a $1,000 minimum monthly guaranteed earnings program, which means that just by listing our car, technically we should be guaranteed to get $1,000, even if we don't get a ton of bookings. I don't have to have any interaction with the guests at all because everything is locked and unlocked right through your guest's device. You literally just sit there and bring in the dollars. I gotta reach my $500 goal. Let's list the car right now.
To sign up for Getaround car sharing as a new host, all I did was visit getaround.com, then clicked share a car and followed their simple questionnaire about my vehicle.
Oh, I see it's covered by insurance. That is very important because I do not want to deal with any issues with my car.
Then I submitted my application. The whole process took me less than 20 minutes.
And it says all of the drivers require a driver safety screening. Very nice. You guys, if we get the maximum number of bookings for Getaround, we can make up to $1,800 this month without doing anything, just having the car on the website. How epic is that?
Now that the car is listed, let's move to the next way I could possibly make money through passive income.
Poshmark.
Poshmark is an app that allows you to list your no longer worn clothing, shoes, and accessories and sell them for cash.
Louie is always complaining about how much closet space I take up. Let's go into my closet and see if there's anything that I can find and I can make some money off of it. Welcome to my closet. This is Louie's section just right here. And then all of this is my section. And this is why he's gonna be really happy about this. Right here, this LL Bean rain jacket. Never used it. This is actually something I got on Poshmark. I got it for about 50% the original price. Faviana. It still has a tag on it. That's how you know. Like, I haven't even worn this dress. I think I wore it for a photo shoot once. Next, I have a little surprise for you. Guess what's in my closet? What do you think's in here? Could it be an Emmy? Is it an Emmy? It is. Look at this. My friend Onika won an Emmy, but she's always traveling, so she gave it to me to store in my closet. I will not be putting this online to sell. Don't worry, Onika, your Emmy is safe with me. So these are the items that we found, and I'm hoping that they sell well. They're all really good quality items. So let's go put them on Poshmark and cross our fingers that we actually sell them. Another potential strategy I'm going to use for this is through online selling. I used to do this all the time on Amazon and eBay, and I made several $100s a month selling things like DVDs, electronics, books, and all types of things that I didn't use anymore. So I looked through my closet and I found 2 items that I really don't use. You know, this Joby tripod, I never really used it. We can definitely sell that. So I got this teleprompter a while ago, haven't used it. I can get $85 for this thing. Amazing! $85, that's like a fifth of the goal right there. Now for my teleprompter, I went on eBay and it looks like similar items are priced at around 100 to 130 bucks. Let's sell. You know, we gotta make the picture nice. Very important for the picture to be nice. Okay, Bella, let's walk this over here. That's good, you can pose with it. So Bella found this Rode mic. I think we're gonna sell it as well. She's gonna help me sell everything, right, Bella? We can sell the mic. I guess we're not gonna sell it, it's broken now. There's one other method I wanna go over that will hopefully get me to my goal. Another possible way to make income is through sales of digital products and courses. Now, luckily, I already have some digital products. I sell a NYC ebook for $9.99. I also have a course all about building a business. This is a really simple way, by the way, to make disposable income. You just create something about your specialty and then put it online. It is work initially to create that thing, but once it's up there, it just makes you money without you doing anything. I mean, how awesome is that?
Now that everything is listed, let's sit back and hope the money rolls in.
So I'm not gonna lie, it's been like 2 days and haven't sold anything. So we still have 5 more days left. And I'm really hoping this works out because I kind of made a promise to Louis and I don't want to let him down.
So I'm hanging out with Bella here. We're watching some Cocomelon on the phone and I see a notification come through. Guess who sold the Joby tripod for $75? Me. Someone wants to book my car for 3 days. And guess what? That is $111. Cha-ching! Got a notification from Poshmark. Sold my dress for $75. Yes! So I just got a notification on Getaround that someone wants to book my car for $74. Woo!
It has officially been 1 week since this challenge started. I have a list of all of the money we made. Let's go through it. For Getaround, we made a total of $296 in bookings. For Poshmark, we sold a dress for $80 and a coat for $75. For eBay, we sold $75. And for digital ebooks, we sold $59, bringing the total to, drum roll, $585. Honestly, I am shocked that I was able to actually surpass the goal. Very exciting. So it looks like Louis is gonna have that beautiful date night I promised him. Let's get to it.
We're gonna be staying at Hotel Hendricks. It's a bohemian chic hotel located in Midtown, steps away from Times Square, the Empire State Building, and the Theater District. Rooms start at around $267 per night.
Wow, it's so cute.
But the decor is beautiful. I love it.
Oh my
Incredible.
God, look at the Empire State Building.
Let's see it. Oh, it's amazing.
Oh
It's so close. Let's touch it.
I know. I got you the hotel room, but since this is a date night, it has to be more than just a hotel, you know?
There's more stuff.
Even though that's fabulous, yeah. So what we're gonna do tonight, we're going to do some rooftop drinks.
Oh, I like, okay. Good.
Yes.
Good start.
We're gonna do some fabulous dinner, and we're gonna see Dear Evan Hansen on Broadway.
Two of my favorite things right there, food and a show.
Yeah, and this show has won 6 Tony Awards.
Oh, whoa.
I know.
That's gonna be pretty good.
I know, well, we'll see. So why don't we go get drinks?
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
We're getting drinks at Daintree Rooftop and Lounge, located at the top of Hotel Hendricks before heading to dinner. They have amazing views of the Empire State Building in a bohemian chic space.
They have nori popcorn.
It's like a nice little salty umami kind of flavor.
The happy hour is really good. It's $10 cocktails from 4 to 6 daily. Our drinks are here. Enjoy this, and then we'll go to dinner.
All right.
For dinner, we're doing Australian tonight at Isla. Dishes here are inspired by Australia's eclectic approach to cooking, which has been forged by strong ties to Southeast Asia and Southern Europe.
I am loving this atmosphere. The ceilings are covered with lush foliage, with light. It's like a basil-infused vodka drink. I ordered this focaccia, which smells like, what is it?
Focaccia.
Focaccia, yes.
Focaccia.
And then we got a tuna tartare. The server told us that, he said, have you been here before? Because you guys ordered the 2 best dishes.
I got the scallops. It comes with some, looks like a broccoli rabe or some sort of like bitter greens.
I got the risotto because everyone told me to get the risotto. All right, let's try it.
Is
this so good?
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm gonna try yours too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
see?
Isla. I don't think I've ever liked a scallop before, and that's really good. Let's finish this up. Then we're gonna go to Dear Evan Hansen. Oh my God.
That's the line.
That's the line. Holy moly. This is terrible. Look at this.
It's like a block long.
Yeah, that sucks. We're gonna be late to the show given how long this line is. I got my $5 million drink. Drinks here are so expensive. Just not here, all Broadway shows. 2 drinks, it was $47. So we just came back from the show, and I have to say, beautiful message.
That's true.
Message.
Actually,
I never expected it to go the way that it did because I
Neither.
didn't even read up anything about it. All I knew is that Sarah said it's a wonderful show with many Tony Awards. So I said, you got me right there.
Yeah. I mean, how awesome was this that we were able to do all these cool things using the passive income that we made without doing anything?
Yeah, seriously. This was like such a wonderful night. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and that we will see you next time. Bye.
Take care. Bye.